3-point lead para sa Lady Bulldogs. Celine Mar! From that leap, you would know that she would get
Vision.
That play was brought to Smart Our Way, Our Rules. Download the app now.
Talking about high school division.
Yun ang atin na yun, no? Most of their players are from Bacolod Taytong High School. Again, they are the 2023 palarong pambansa champions. Speaking of, isa dito, itong si Anne Hermoso. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, ma'am. Naki-ma'am.
Naki-mom na din.
Happy birthday po. Pero ito, the left pin, courtesy of the timeout called.
One of the strong attackers and tall attackers of Ateneo is Say Pasha.
Appreciate all of our professors na very considerate, no, na iniintindi itong ating mga student athletes. Katulad na lang nung hampas na yun, literal.
Pero yun, di concern.
No mercy as we see that combination play. Beautiful setup initiated by Abby Pono.
Playing year. So, next year, it would be Abe Pono and Caitlin Mauricio stepping in. At
maganda na ngayon pa lang, no? Unti-unti. Hindi sila mahihirapan dun sa magiging transition na yun. Katulad ng huling palo kanina nitong si De Leon. 4 na puntos ang hinahabol ng mga naka-asul. Shy. Jump sets. Choosing K. Nope. Cortez to Chuatico. Taitong connection activated.
here for the side of Ateneo.
Alexa Mata, meanwhile, redeeming that advantage for the
Aggressive middle hitter of NU with that cross hit.
ng lakas ng loob. Doon din nila nalalaman kung ano pa yung pwede nilang i-work on as a player. Katulad na lang nitong si Anna Hermosura. This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
NU also having trouble here in quite some time. Ako naman ang magpapakitang gila, so I'll do my best.
Pero ang ganda nung pinapakita nilang numbers, no? Not just from attack points, may blocks, may aces, on how they've improved in the past few seasons.
Man sila since the start of this set.
Van Chalinsog, meanwhile, earlier, but she just needed some TED Talks coming from Coach Reg. And with that, we will be
Din yung vertical ni Alinsug eh.
or Masura. Nope. Second time. Coverage present para sa Blue Eagles. Ikatlo. Yung drop na yon hindi gagana. Vanch. Over-receive. Chance to answer back for the Blue Eagles. Marsh with a sharp angle. Wouldn't work. Hermosura still denied. Abby. Reverse setup. Bam. Bombita. No. This time, an easier block point. Go to Nisperos. That high ball. Up. By Alinso. Cortez with that push. Chance here for the Lady Bulldogs. Maayo with a quick.
Grabe. Mo pa nakikita pag pumapasok siya sa court. She's having that game face on. She's not here for National University.
Walang records of any losses po dito sa ating tournament.
Though they've had extended winning pool, but another flawless attack there coming from Robbie Cilia.
Oh, with those errors piling up, preventing them to score a bucket, but not this time.
And Jiga, and you could see that the block of NU was late on that sequence.
Point for the Blue Eagles. Over-received by Escadlar. Chance for the Blue Eagles. Opted to go for that block. Back-to-back points. 3-point lead for the Lady Bulldogs. Lambs choosing Escadlar in that sequence. Ball kept alive. Lambs with that 1-2 play. At pinawi niya.
Directing their attacks. Kahit kailangan humabol now in the second set, hindi maitatanggi na buhay ang Ateneo spirit, especially with their seniors and team captain. Ladies.
One big fight para sa side ng Ateneo. Choosing Tachi in that sequence would work. Cantada with her first point.
Tada, Andres right now.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Meanwhile, former teammates Chap sending it straight to Cepada. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart, our way, our rules.
Robbie Cilia to former teammate.
Cobb trying to knock that one down. Unable to do so. Cross court, sharp.
The hands of the blocker, seeing that area in the middle of Lamina.
Lams to Escalor.
Too powerful.
What a finish there para dito kay Myrtle Escanlar.
You could see her approach full of
Taksuhora. Block point. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. So, to realize what are some things that they could polish on. Pero parang wala namang dapat i-polish sa palo na yun. Itong targeting Zone 5. This goal play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
flawless.
Ganda ng mga reception dito. Itong si Icy Cepada. Zay Pasha. Sent back to her.
Solid block by Lamina. Pukot na ni Lamina bago pa man lumipat sa court ng NU.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order na.
Dumidepensa. Outside yung bola. Service ace from one of the strong servers of...
Float serve. Ang hirap kunin. Mga services na yon. Net. Ora. Bantayan. Second time. A sharp one.
NU doesn't have a defense ready. Cepada was too late to react while...
Reverse setup naman. Sam Cantada. Itong si Lams Lamina. 25. Another chance for Ateneo. Cortez Tosilia. Great read coming from Hardio. Pono Tumata with a finish.
Switching things up. Good setup there by Abe Pono.
This goal play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Medyo nahihirapan na rin sa first ball. Itong Blue Eagles. Tapos samahan mo pa sa
Mata with a strong block.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Ng first 6. Arroyo. Binigay kay Hermosura. Sent back literally.
Courtesy of Salazar and Mata. Good timing and good execution on the block.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken. Gift for the Blue Eagles. We haven't heard from Donna De Leon on this game that much though. Casey De Leon once again picked up by Vance. Reverse setup naman. Ganda rin ng blockings para sa side ng Ateneo. Marsh with a drop.
Smart drop ball by Marsh.
And NU is not an exception. Lady Bulldogs coach Regine opened up earlier and sabi nga niya hindi maiiwan to connect, help each other improve and defend the title together as a team. Sabi nga, it really doesn't matter if some people do not believe in them as long as they believe in each other. Daphne Angelina.
Agree with that. Power by Coach Reg.
Yes, and also it's how you react towards those comments.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Or sila ni Ana Hermosura, no?
Galing silang dalawa ng Iloilo eh. Kaya magkakilala na sila eh. Speaking of kilala, eto na naman siya. Trouble in risk. Shout out to Coach Kim Beho watching
Coach
the game
Kim.
right now.
Coach Kim
May
talaga.
sagot siya actually kung saan galing si Cham kanina.
Ano, kay Coach Kim, this spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries.
That's a problem now that Ateneo is facing. Wala silang pasa. Kaya hindi sila ma-maximize on the net with that block.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce. Sharp service. Ganda rin ng first ball ni De Chavez. Pero walang coverage. Iba ang ihip ng hangin para sa isang Chamcha Maaya. Sa larong ito, sila ang patuloy na.
Between all of the contenders dito sa tournament natin, there's no space talaga na mag-relax, just even a set. Kasi all of them are good volleyball players.
Dax trying to connect there with Donna De Leon. Salazar from the right pin. Salazar not settling for less.
Grabe,
Pono jump sets. Choosing Marsh off the blockers.
Celine Marsh, about time.